I am doing this video because your JAMB exam is already closed, and there's something I'm seeing that is making me afraid that if we don't handle might result in you and some other people getting poor result in this exam. That's why I decided to take out my time to make this video. In our channel, we conducted a survey we asked how confident are you concerning your JAMB exam. Some say they are confident, some say they are confused, some say they are afraid. So, and I looked at it, I said, oh, why are people afraid of this exam? What can we do to help you to prepare, right? Even though some of you are reading above 2 hours every day, some read 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and all the rest. What can we do to ensure that we pass? Like I often emphasize, this year's admission will be tougher than last year, right? Because this year, 2 point something million persons are competing to get admission into Nigerian universities. But last year, we had just about 1 point something million contesting to get admission. Now, this year will be tougher than it was last year. Good 18, you have been on this channel, you have been watching the videos, you have been following the things we are doing. All the expo questions, past questions have been given out. All the reviews we have been given out. And today, I want to really calm down and ask you, what challenge are you facing concerning your JAMB exam? What challenge are you facing currently? This coming exam we just have few weeks. We just a matter of days now. I think about 40 something or 30 something days to the exam from the time of me making this video to this exam. So I'm dedicating this particular video to finding out what could be the challenge you are facing. Is it the challenge that you are reading here, you're not understanding? Is it the challenge that you don't have time? Is it the challenge that you are afraid? Like some people said that they are afraid. Are you afraid? Are you confused? What is it? What is it that could prevent you from passing this exam? If you are afraid, let me know. If you are confused, if you are reading, you are not understanding. If you are having challenges with maybe jumping, knowing your exam center, printing slip, tell me. I am here. Our goal in this channel, which I want you to claim again, is for you to score 300 and above in this JAMB, for you to be among those that will gain admission, even if it's only 800,000 or 8,000 or no matter the number that gains admission this year, you will be one of them. All right, you will not only get admission, you get admission into your preferred institution of choice to study your preferred course. You will not stay at home one more year. You will not become a regular JAMB customer. Like I always say, JAMB is a very professional exam, very serious exam. There is no mago in it, right? You have 40 seconds for each of the 180 questions they will give you. Okay, so I've made quite a lot of videos in our channel. We have made a lot, and I'm giving a free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus. You need to wake up within these few days. You need to wake up, study with free JAMB past. I can give it to you, free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus for you. And I've done quite a lot of videos on every subject. We have done expo questions, review questions on use of English, mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, economics, government, literature. All these subjects, I've handled them, giving you questions, giving you what to expect. So if you need me to give you those videos I've done, if you need me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on the Lakey Headmaster Job Novel, that is expo questions to expect on use of English, mathematics, literature, government, chemistry, physics, biology, all of them. We have done all these things in our channel. If you need me to give you those videos, link, free, I can give them to you so that you become more serious. If you are having any challenge concerning this exam, right now, under the comment of this video, feel free and tell me your challenge. If you need those past questions, please tell me. If you need me to give you the videos I've done, please tell me in the comment section. Anything you want me to give to you that you think could help you in this exam, feel free to talk to me. That is the essence of this video. Feel free to share your challenges. Not when you fail, you will now begin to cry to me. right now. Tell me what is it that is bothering you. Tell me what is making you afraid. Tell me what is making you confused, and let me handle it right now. I'm waiting for you in the comment section.